In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a comparison table in GoHighLevel. This is an incredibly useful feature for anyone looking to clearly present multiple options or plans to their clients or users, whether it's for pricing, features, or any other criteria. So let's jump right in and walk through the process together. First things first, let's head over to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're in, navigate over to the Sites section and select either Funnels or Websites, depending on where you'd like to add your comparison table. From there, you'll want to click on Edit Page to begin making your modifications. Next, we're going to add a section specifically for your new table. Look for a button or link that says plus Add Section. Click on that, and when prompted, choose a layout consisting of one row with multiple columns. A 3-column layout works wonderfully if you're comparing 3 pricing plans, for example. Now, let's start crafting the table manually using those columns we just set up. Each column will represent a different option or plan. For instance, they could be labeled as Basic, Pro, and Premium. Inside each column, we'll begin by adding a heading element for the plan name. It's also a good idea to incorporate a divider for visual clarity, though that's entirely optional. Beneath the heading, include text elements to list the various features of each plan. Here's where you can get a bit creative and use icons or emojis such as check marks and crosses to depict feature availability. A simple example might include a 24/7 support for features that a plan includes, or API access for those it doesn't. Here's a pro tip: using the list element can help maintain cleaner alignment and overall appearance. Now that we have the basic structure, let's move on to adding pricing information and a compelling call to action button at the bottom of each column. A text element displaying the monthly cost is a great start, followed by a button that links to your checkout form or booking page. Styling is our next consideration, and GoHighLevel offers plenty of style settings to enhance your table. Consider using background colors for each column and adding rounded corners. Typically a 10 to 20 pixel radius can look quite appealing. Shadows are a great addition, as they can help each column stand out further. If you're highlighting a best value plan, underscore that column with a contrasting color for added emphasis. To speed up the setup process, remember that you can duplicate columns by simply right-clicking the column and selecting Duplicate. This allows you to maintain consistency across your comparison table. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a visually appealing and functional comparison table using GoHighLevel's intuitive tools without needing to write any complex HTML code. Now, you're all set to offer clear, concise options to your clients or users. Happy creating!